Let's compare the Laifen electric toothbrush to the Sonicare 5300 toothbrush. Now, I was sent these for review, but my opinions are my own, so let's get to it. Now, I wanted to quickly unbox the Laifen for you because its packaging shows that they really care about every detail. This is high quality, gorgeous packaging for a really beautiful and solid toothbrush. You get the toothbrush, and then you get its cord, and it is a unique magnetic power cord that sticks to the bottom of it. And then I love this in that it has a USB-C or a USB-C to USB-A adapter. So you can plug this into USB-C or USB-A outlets, depending on what's best for you. And on top of that, you start with 3 different toothbrush heads to figure out what's best for you. Now, before I get into more detail, let me show you what you get with the Sonicare 5300. I already unboxed it. It's really simple packaging. You get your Sonicare handle, 3 toothbrush heads, 2 of them are the same style, so 2 different options, a plug-in charger, and a travel case. Now, there are a lot of differences between these toothbrushes, but the main one is how they clean. The Sonicare focuses purely on sonic waves, vibration, and those vibrations are what helps it clean your teeth, and in combination with their unique toothbrush heads, you can get different cleanings. It has a variety of modes, but that's really it. It is focused on vibrating to help clean your teeth. And the Laifen also provides sonic vibrations, but it also oscillates, so it will go back and forth physically while it is vibrating, so it cleans your teeth in 2 different ways. And then the handles are really different. The Sonicare is their standard longer handle shape. It's a nice plastic. They feel about the same weight, whereas the Laifen is made of aluminum alloy. So it's really fun to hold on to. Definitely feels like I'm holding a piece of fancy tech. Now, when it comes to battery life, I haven't been able to test the Laifen, but it claims that it can last for 45 days on the same charge. And I have not charged this yet and used it a few times and have had no issue out of the box. Whereas the Sonicare, I know from experience, lasts roughly a week, maybe a little longer on one charge. So you'll definitely want to bring a charger if you're going on a longer trip with this one. Now, the toothbrush heads definitely have differences, but let me go over what you get first. With the Sonicare, you get 1 brush head that's for your gums, and then you get the Diamond Clean, you get 2 of these. These are designed specifically for whitening. And with the Laifen, you get 3 brushes. This one's for gum care, this is your super clean brush, and this is for ultra whitening. And while the Laifen toothbrush heads feel smaller the moment you pull them out of the box, when you put them next to each other, you'll notice that the brush heads themselves are actually comparable in size. So they're definitely hitting the same amount of surface space when you're brushing. Now I'm about to put these to the test, but before I do, I just want to show you that the Sonicare is all about vibration. It is a little noisier, but it has very high vibration. And you have the modes clean, white, and gum care. The Laifen also has 3 modes, which you can go through by holding the power button down. And I will show you right now it on the top mode, as remember is the last one you put it in. It is much quieter. It still is vibrating quite a bit. And you can see that it is oscillating from side to side. Now, I can only share my experience, but these both did a remarkable job. My mouth feels super minty fresh and clean on both sides pretty evenly. Like, I can't really notice an obvious difference in how clean my teeth are, but I did notice a difference in how I use these. With the Sonicare, I'm really tempted to move it myself. I want to add the oscillations myself. But with the Laifen, I was content just to run it along my teeth as it was already doing those oscillations for me. So in my experience, these both work beautifully. Now there's one more key difference, and that's the cost of replacing these toothbrush heads. Laifen is definitely of a more fair, accessible price. So over time, the value is definitely in the Laifen toothbrush. But Sonicare is well known for good reason. This is an exceptional toothbrush as well. Whichever one you go with, I'm sure you'll be quite happy. The Laifen versus the Sonicare 5300. Whichever one you go with, I'm sure you'll be quite happy. The Laifen versus the Sonicare 5300. Laifen, 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 Laifen. Actually, they both did a great job.